It appears, ladies and gentlemen, that Starbase has left some sort of a large clue hidden in plain sight. Perhaps it's a code. There's no title, so it's hard to say. This could even be a map to where the real secrets are stored. If we could just decipher what these letters stand for. H, that could mean hiding. Oh, and O, that can definitely stand for over. And then N. Oh, N, that's a hard one. I wonder what it could stand for.
Nosy?
Nosy? I am not nosy. I'm investigating.
Oh, I see. So what are you doing here today, Ms. Stark? What can I help you with?
I'll ask the questions, please.
That's good science. Keep going.
First of all, what kind of code is this? And what do the letters stand for? And please, just the facts, because the people, they deserve the truth.
I'm really glad you asked, Ms. Stark. This is called the periodic table of the elements. And our students this week are going to be investigating this in our experiments here at Starbase. This table lists the names of all of the ingredients of all of the materials in the known universe.
Interesting. So you really expect us to believe that all of the billions of different kinds of things in the known universe are made of these few things?
Yep.
Preposterous. What about labradoodles?
Yep.
Comets?
Yes.
Tubas?
Yes.
Volkswagens?
Yes.
RDRT, the secret robot that you're hiding?
If RDRT was a robot and not an acronym, yes, RDRT would be made out of the elements here, especially these metals.
I know. What about hot dogs? No one really knows what hot dogs are made of.
You're right, that really is a mystery. I don't know what they're made out of, but all of the ingredients in hot dogs would come from someplace on this chart, because this chart again lists the names of all of the ingredients to everything, even mysterious ones like hot dogs.
You mentioned the word element. Is this some sort of a secret code word, or can you briefly describe for our audience what it actually means?
Yes, elements, as in elementary, mean the basics. Like elementary school is the basic beginning of school. So the elements here are the basic building blocks that everything is made out of. When you have a pure lump of all one kind, such as copper in a wire, or perhaps helium in a balloon up there, or hydrogen in stars, when you have a pure lump of that, that's called an element. And if you break down that lump to one tiny little particle of it, you have an atom. So you might have an atom of copper or silver or gold or whatever. Then, if you take a couple of different atoms and put them together, you make a molecule. You could have compound molecules, such as water, made of hydrogen and oxygen, or you could have other molecules like just ozone, which is a few oxygens put together. It's really very simple. That's why it's called the periodic table of the elements, because these simple things make up everything, no matter how complex they are.
Well, Mr. Science, thank you for your time, but I think those are all the questions I have for now. As long as you're still sticking to your story that this isn't a secret treasure map?
It's not a secret, and it's not a treasure map, but we do treasure it, and treasure is made from these things, like this column right here, copper, silver, gold. It's part of what makes the world turn.
Okay then, but I'm going to actually ask you to leave this up on your wall. Please do not take it down. I might have to use this for evidence.
No problem. We wouldn't dream of taking it down. It's useful every day in science.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The periodic table actually lists what the elements of the universe are made of. Or at least that's what they want us to believe.
It's the truth.